Hello KG1, hope you are all fine. Welcome to our new English lesson. Today we are going to take a new letter. The new letter is letter P. Letter P. And its sound is sound P. Sound P. The action for the sound is to pretend that your finger is a candle and you're trying to puff out the tricky candle, saying P, P, P. Come on, try to puff out your trick candle. P, P, P. Excellent. Let's read the story. Paul is a boy who is having a birthday party. He opens his presents and plays some party games. Then he puffs out the candles on his cake. P, P, P. Uh-oh, they are trick candles. And keep relighting. Everyone tries to puff out the candles going P, P, P. Let's sing this song together. Come on. Let's know how to write sound P. We start from the big dot, we go down, touch the lower line, then I go up again on the same line without taking off my hand, then I go round and close it, then I take off my hand. Now let's learn some words which start with the sound P. Who can tell me what's this? This is P, P, pineapple. P, pineapple. P, P, peach. P, peach. Yummy fruit. Oh, and this is a yummy fruit also. This is P, pear. P, P, pear. What's this? This is P, P, pizza. P, P, pizza. P, P, pig. P, P, pig. It's a farm animal. P, P, panda. P, P, panda. This is P, penguin. P, P, penguin. P, P, parrot. P, parrot. It's a colorful bird. And we have two colors which start with the sound P. We have P, pink. P, pink. And P, purple. P, purple. P, popcorn. P, popcorn. I love popcorn. Do you love popcorn? P, P, piano. P, piano. P, picture. P, picture. P, pencil. P, P, pencil, like the one we write with. P, P, pajamas. P, pajamas. We put it on before we go to sleep. P, P, pillow. P, pillow. We sleep on our beds. P, pepper. P, P, pepper. P, puzzle. P, P, puzzle. Puzzle makes us very smart. P, princess. P, P, princess. P, pirate. P, P, pirate. Thank you so much, KG1. Till we meet again. Bye bye.